Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Suzuki VStrom 650 ABS brakes, twin cylinder V-twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This beautiful adventure touring midsize is loaded with great features. It's got an adjustable windscreen, heated electric grips, RAM phone mount, GV bags and top case, 55,000 miles on this excellent running VStrom 650. Come on by, make your commuter or adventure tour dreams come true for just $34.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.